and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna make a ping pong game on an app called Scratch. It's really popular on this app and you can make different variations of it depending on your choice. Hi friends, my name is Arham and welcome to my channel. In my channel, I post all educational videos. I understand all parents try to control our TV or YouTube time, and my parents are no different. I promise you will not regret watching my channel. And your parents won't be having any objection for watching us learning new topics each week. You have noticed all my videos have a test link in the description box, so you can test your knowledge after watching the video. I've created this game on Scratch and it's called Ping Pong. Let's dig deeper into how this game works. So basically what you want, so there's a score, there's the scoreboard, there's the two balls, there's the paddle, a chosen background, and the floor. So my objective is to let the balls bounce off the paddle to prevent it from hitting the ground. See that? My score was 19. And I lost because I didn't prevent the ball from hitting the ground. So basically, you want to keep both of those balls from touching the red floor. So let me demonstrate. So as you see, I hit the paddle 3 times and with the score of 3. So each time I hit the paddle, it increases my score. But one of the balls fell down, so that stopped the game. Let's play it again. So as you can see, I'm doing a far better job than I did last time. But eventually I will lose, so let's see what score I get. So as you see, the scoreboard is increasing higher each time the ball hits. So now we have the score of 33. Let's see what my final score is. No. Oh. But at least I got to 138, way better than I did last time with a score of 4. You might be wondering, Arham, how did I create this game? So let me show you. So let's see inside the game. And as you can see, there's a lot of code in this game. But I'll show you how to make it. Let's start with one of the balls. First, I want to set the score to 0 because if we don't set it to 0, when the score increases, it'll never go back to normal. Because then that'll be a big problem. Because then people can it's like they keep playing the same game. We don't want that, so we set the score to 0 at the beginning. These X and Y positions are where I want the balls to start at. The X and Y keys, as you see here, right now they're 4 and 21. This means that when we start the game, the balls will go into the locations X equals to 4 and Y equal to negative 21. So now we need to turn 45 degrees, so it'll go towards the paddle. So So we need to turn, so after we set the X and Y position, then we need to turn 45-degree angle. So what that will do, will make it face in a direction. It'll make it face in the direction we want. So in this case, it's 45 degrees. So then we need to point towards a paddle or this green thing, like you can see here. So then we need to make the ball's movement, because then it'll just stay in the air and nothing will happen and the game would be boring, right? So then we do forever do move 5 steps if on the edge bounds. So basically that means that we'll keep moving 5 steps, and these are the edges, so it'll bounce if it's on this that we want. We don't want it to just stay there and move 5 steps in a random angle. So that's why we have if on edge bounce. So then we go to the rest of the code. If touching paddle, then it'll change the score to 1. So the paddle is this green thing over here, as you can see. See, look, this is the paddle. So basically, when it touches the paddle, it'll change score by 1. So if in direction 0, if the direction's over 0, then it'll go 180 minus direction, or the opposite way. If the direction is less than 0, it will point in direction negative 180 minus direction, or the equivalent to the opposite direction. Then we go to another set. If touching line. So this is the line, it's red, it doesn't have any code. So this basically takes all its code. If touching line, then stop everything. Stop the game. So after that, we come to the last if loop for the ball. If touching ball 2, this is ball 2, it has literally the exact same code as ball 1. So if touching ball 2, it's basically, it'll go in the opposite direction, like here. So it'll basically do, if direction more than 0, point in direction 180 minus direction, or the equivalent to the opposite direction. If direction is less than 0, then point in direction negative 180 minus direction, or the equivalent to the opposite direction. So that's all for the ball. Now let's move on to the paddle. The paddle is really simple. It's given in X and Y position, or negative 67 for X, and Y to negative 84. So this is the X and this is the Y position. So the X is negative 67 and the Y is negative 84. So the paddle will be set into the direction of this. So this is the direction when the game starts. This is the direction the paddle will be in. So then, when right arrow key pressed, change X by 10. Or that means go right. If left arrow key pressed, change X by negative 10, or go left. So that's all for the sprites. So here there's a line, and the line doesn't have any code. And ball 2 has literally the exact same code as ball 1. So then let's look at the backgrounds code. It doesn't actually have any code. You can choose which backgrounds you want. You can choose which backgrounds you want. You don't need to choose the one I have. So I chose the neon tunnel. So I chose a neon tunnel. You can search that up if you want the same thing. That's all for the coding for today. I hope you understand. If you didn't, ask me in the comment section below. So I will send a link in the description box so you can check out the Scratch game yourself to look at the code if you didn't understand, or just play the game. Let me show you some examples. This is one of the games I want to show you. It's Spongebob themed. So basically there's a paddle with a jellyfish and the ball is Spongebob, and it's mouse controlled. Let me show you how it looks. See, look, this is basically the same thing as last time, but instead of balls, we have Spongebob, and instead of paddles, we have jellyfish. And also, this background is different. On my interpretation, there's a neon tunnel background, but on this, there's a Spongebob background. Let's move on to the next one. So this is the last game I want to show you. It's basically like a tennis game. Let me show you. It's a classic ping pong game like tennis. Okay, so this is a ping pong game that this guy made, and now let me showcase it to you. Sorry, everything's Spanish, but whatever. Yeah. So, as you can see, we have the same concept working here, but the difference is this time it's computer versus player. Instead of just one player. So, as you can see, this is really different from what I told you to make. I'll add all these games that I showed you in the description box. This gives you an idea how many variations you can create of this ping pong app. You can write to me in the comment section below which one you think was the best, or if you have other or different ideas to make this game. It's announcement time. You can have the chance to win a prize. You just need to share one of your Scratch programs in the comment section. I'm gonna reward a $5 gift card for 3 people who have one of the most creative projects. So don't forget to submit your Scratch projects with your name and age in the comment section below. Or email me at hiarhamjane@gmail.com. The last day for submission is August 31, 2020. Age eligibility is 10 and under. You can see all the details about the challenge in the description box below. I hope you liked this video, and I'll list all the ping pong versions in the description box below too, for you to check out. See you next time. Till then, goodbye!